Hello friends, there are a lot of myths about the psoriasis, and let us understand today the 10 important myths about psoriasis. Psoriasis is a contagious. This is a myth because psoriasis is a skin disease and it looks like a fungal infection, and people are afraid that if they touch or if they come in contact with you, or you are afraid that you may give psoriasis to somebody else by in contact. No, psoriasis is not a contagious disease because although psoriasis is a disease, the main cause of psoriasis is excessive production of normal skin cells. It is not an infection, so it's a normal dead skin cells that is a dandruff on the skin, so it is not contagious. Psoriasis is just a dry skin. Many times people, when they are asked, they say it's a dry skin. Having a dry skin, especially winter, it is just temporary. After applying moisturizer, it doesn't need a treatment. But psoriasis is not only a dry skin, but it is a disease, and it has more number of skin cells than normal because there is production of more cells and scaling also. The third important thing, people always think that psoriasis is a result of poor hygiene. As all other diseases, skin diseases, are because of a poor hygiene, not properly washing your skin, taking bath, or not taking proper bath, clean bath. So all the infectious diseases of skin are caused by that. But psoriasis is not an infectious disease. Psoriasis can occur in a normally healthy people because it's a genetic disease and it can cause in any person, even if he have a healthy lifestyle or clean, healthy lifestyles. The next is that there is a cure for psoriasis. Psoriasis is a lifelong disease. One needs to take the treatment, and it is written in the books that psoriasis can only be controlled by treatment, but it cannot be cured. It can never go away. It stays throughout your life, but whenever you get a psoriasis, it can be controlled for some time, but likely to psoriasis will come again. At Psoriatreat, we treat psoriasis, but we have a little different opinion about it. We have the patients that after treating psoriasis completely, they stop the treatment and they did not get psoriasis for 10 to 15 years, even after discontinuing the treatment. Isn't it a cure? Psoriasis only affects the skin. Psoriasis does not affect the skin, as I earlier told you. It can affect the skin, it can affect the nails, it can affect the folds of the skin, it can affect palms and soles, and it can also affect the joints, causing a psoriatic arthritis. No treatment that can relieve psoriasis. It's a greatest myth. Yes, there is a treatment for psoriasis in every system of medicines, but the result of the treatment are different. In case of modern science, it can control the psoriasis very effectively, but for some time it can come back again and it will need the treatment whenever it comes. In case of homeopathy, what our experience goes is that you treat a psoriasis, get a complete treatment, and after discontinuing the treatment, we have observed the patients who did not get psoriasis for 10 to 15 years, even if they are not getting any treatment of psoriasis with us. The eighth myth is psoriasis only affects adults. So this is the greatest myth because 40 years ago it was written in the textbook that psoriasis is a disease of third and fourth decade, that it used to occur after the age of 30 and 40. But now it commonly found in 18 to 25. And I also see the children. Psoriasis can affect anyone at any age. There is no age bar. Changing your diet habits can cure psoriasis. And I would like to stress on this is that it is wrong that simply diet changes can cure your psoriasis. Diet changes and lifestyle changes can minimize the psoriasis, but it cannot cure it. Along with the treatment, if you make all these changes, it will help the treatment to get the good, best and lasting effect, but it is not a substitute. Diet is not a substitute for treatment. It is helpful for the treatment, for the management and prevention of psoriasis. It's not a treatment. Thank you.